The World Games are coming in July of 2022. Sumo, softball, lacrosse, sport climbing, powerlifting, and more. This is the new generation of sports. Tickets are on sale. Buy today at twg2022.com.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 19th of August. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather on the unsettled side through the beginning of the weekend with a number of showers and thunderstorms around each day. Then the weather begins to trend drier by Sunday in the first half of next week. We'll start with the upper air look. This is the flow pattern about 18,000 feet off the ground where the pressure is 500 millibars and got a big trough back in the western states. And a little minor shortwave is just north and west of the state that will be aiding in the thunderstorm formation process today. That was the radar this morning about 5 o'clock. A number of storms over the Tennessee Valley. They've had some big rains over the past 18 hours. Temperatures are in the 70s to start today. Highs only mid-80s today, which is below average. We should be at 91. That's our average high today. On the watch warning map, not too many issues. Flash flood watches for parts of the northeast United States with the remnants of Fred. Also parts of Utah and Colorado. Scattered heat advisories on the Gulf Coast. Risks of severe storms today. One marginal risk over parts of New England with Fred. Also a risk out across parts of the High Plains. Tomorrow, the Great Plains, the upper Midwest with a chance of severe storms. And day 3, Saturday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Alabama's numbers are trending up. Amounts between 1 and 2.5 inches for much of the state. And again, we'll start to see a trend toward drier weather by Sunday and Monday and Tuesday of next week. But between now and Saturday, we'll have a number of showers and thunderstorms around. So there's the tropical trio this morning. Of course, Fred is post-tropical over the northeast United States. We've got Henri, we've got Grace. But otherwise, the Atlantic Basin is really quiet back in that MDR, the main development region, because of a lot of dry air. Hopefully it stays that way. Grace has made landfall this morning on the Yucatan, south of Cancun. The second landfall coming tomorrow night, way south of Brownsville, Texas. And the system dissipates inland over the weekend. Henri could be flirting with Cape Cod Sunday night, as you can see, as a tropical storm. But the center stays offshore. But the good news, no systems threatening the central Gulf Coast anytime soon. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. There's that big trough in the west, a short wave around here. And again, cloudy at times with scattered to numerous showers and storms. Highs in the 80s. Same thing tomorrow. And it's not going to rain all day. And I know we got high school football beginning. Many of the games tomorrow night. I got a few tonight. And yes, there could be a few storms around. There might be a lightning delay for some of the stadiums, but not all stadiums. And Saturday, same thing. Cloudy at times, a number of showers and storms around, but not raining all day. And the high Saturday will be in the mid to upper 80s, below average. And then Sunday, the ridge begins to build back in. And that means a trend toward drier weather with only isolated storms, the high Sunday around 90. And then Monday, relatively dry. Storms isolated, highs low, maybe mid-90s. That'll be a hot day, and the same thing on Tuesday. So I think Monday, Tuesday, the hottest days of next week. And then Wednesday, the ridge begins to weaken again. We should see an increase in scattered storms. And then this is a week from today, Thursday the 26th. Main ridge a little west of here, and that looks kind of typical with some sun and scattered showers and storms. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 28th. And we've got the main westerlies to the north. Little upper feature nearby, and that looks like we could see a number of showers and storms in progress at that point. This is the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 3rd of September, but we know that many places will see more than that. The distribution of rain is not even this time of the year. Highs in the 80s through Saturday. And then we tick up toward the mid-90s Monday, Tuesday. The numbers trend back down after that. And the CPC outlook, this is August 26th through September 1st. Temperatures here close to or maybe just a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.